I'm Mythili Belle, and I am currently working with Honeywell Technology Solutions, being with this organization for more than 21 years in the field of aerospace. I also lead the India Women Employee Network, focused on women talent retention, growth, as well as development. This is an excellent question, and I'm glad that you're talking about pursuing of a career in STEM for women engineers. If you look at the statistics, when we have an entry level of the workforce, it is 50-50% of both women and men in terms of the gender. And what we see is that down the line, 5 years down the line, there is a gradual deterioration and the gender gap widens. If you look at the reasons, there may be many things. Maybe relocation because of getting married and then having a child. Women engineers will tend to take a break, so on and so forth. But it is very imperative for women engineers to recognize that there needs to be a resilience in terms of having an enriching career experience, not just for the sake of economic growth, but also to make a difference in the world. At present, there are many real-time problems to be solved, and women bring in a very unique perspective onto the table. At the same time, while the continuous growth and development is needed from the engineers, and here we're talking about women in mind, also I'm seeing immense growth in the organization to develop an ecosystem so that women can resume their career after taking their break, whether it is for whatsoever reason, whether it is relocation or having a break due to having a child or any of the personal health challenges as well. While we do not see that kind of a trend as much in the male, so we see a conscious focus from organizations who have committed to inclusion and diversity as can-do objective, but more of the foundation for actually the company's growth to do this. So if I have to say in short, it has to be both ways. One is women themselves need to be self-driven, not to think that the work can afford to have a stop in their own lives, and also for the organization to create an ecosystem to enable the women workforce to have a meaningful career experience traversing through various life challenges. That would be my answer. So, my top 10 tips for an enriching career experience. First and foremost, every one of us need to know our ikigai, our purpose. So, vision is very, very important. If there's no vision, we all will be like a group of footballers chasing a football towards a place which is our own imaginary goalpost. So first and foremost, we should be having a vision. That is about what is a purpose. Second is mission. How do we want to achieve that vision? And that would enable us the means to pursue that goal. So vision and mission are very important for any of the engineers to have a meaningful and a purposeful career growth. And rest 8 would be the devices or the ecosystem to enable us to achieve it. What are they? First and foremost, if you have already made your mind on which is the career path that you would like to pursue for your work, whether it is in the field of aerospace or whether it is in the field of energy, sustainability, automation, there are n number of opportunities. So if you already know what is the career path that you would like to follow, and also know the product line that you would like to work on, and also you know the company, or if you would like yourself to be a unicorn or an entrepreneur, well and good. If not, adapt the company's vision and mission as your own and work towards it. How do you do that? Knowing your product, knowing the segment, knowing the competition, having a mentor who can actually help you to traverse that, to know the products, the competition, the segment, and above all, have that continuous learning mindset. Learning does not stop when you have an engineering degree. It is just the beginning of it. In our 30 plus years of career that we have in our lives, we should make it meaningful and not have any day pass by without us learning and also applying those concepts in our work. And last but not the least, be ambitious. It is very easy for us to be in our comfort zone, but in my 2+ decades of experience, I have found that the maximum learning and growth happened, which was outside of my comfort zone. So never shy of on embracing what are the things that are continuously changing, and do make a note that it's just not about learning what it is, apply to the product that you're working on to impact the world. That's what I would say in a nutshell. I would like to, if I have this question is very much fondly bringing me a lot of memories on how I started off my career. So I would like to say that I did not choose aerospace, aerospace chose me. So a walk-in interview in Honeywell soon after my engineering, with my electronics and communication background, I was given an opportunity to work with aerospace. So I fondly say that the whole universe conspired me to leverage my electronics and communication engineering into the world of aerospace. It is surreal. In fact, to summarize in one word, little did I know that an engineer joining or entering into Honeywell as a trainee would one day lead and be a director in a center of excellence responsible for flight management systems, flight controls, compact fly-by-wire, voice-activated flight deck. And the journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster. It had seen its own challenges, but at the same time, equipping myself with a great leadership, surrounding myself with great mentors, and above all, a great enthused work environment is what I see that this journey has been very enriching. I got an opportunity to work with world-class pilots, scientists, travel around the world, make a difference in the aviation, being witness to several first flights, and now paving the way and showing to the next generation of engineers who are coming and working with us on how it is to be done. So this journey has been extremely fruitful, and I'm very excited about the limitless possibilities that Honeywell brings on in our lives. Okay. Yes, absolutely. So the current, as I said, we are in a very, very exciting phase where the students would find numerous paths to choose on. Engineering is a mega superset, and disciplines are again countless. So first and foremost, right from systems engineering to requirements management, to even equip yourself in terms of the technology, verification and validation, development, certification, the streams or the disciplines are innumerable. But here, what I would like to also focus is that choose a domain. The domain may be as diverse as aerospace. It may be as upcoming as sustainability, energy management, or it may be building automation. So it's very important for the students to equip themselves on the certain domains and product lines where they can apply their technology and pursue a enriching career experience. That is what my take would be here.
Sure.
First and foremost, Atria has piloted one of its kind liberal STEM education, and it is a beginning or a starting step to be industry ready. So first of all, congratulations to Atria for having curated such a syllabus. Second, I would say that when it comes to one of the important advice, please do leverage this environment to have a continuous applied learning mindset. So the learning should not stop with doing the projects, but also take it a step ahead and see what are the white spaces, how you can protect your novelty, how you all can have an innovation, a patent, a trade secret, defensive publication in your name while you are exposed to those 30 plus projects that you'll be doing as part of your curriculum. My one piece of advice would be to nurture that innovation mindset while you are in Atria.